Hey, it's Joseph here. Today we've got an interesting product that is delivered to my doorsteps, and I'm about to just kind of do a bit of a trial with this product and perhaps show you what I have done and what my thought process was. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by Home Reserve. However, I'm just doing a bit of a coverage as I thought it was quite interesting what they have to offer. Okay, so let's just bring this product inside the home, perhaps unbox and do a bit of assembly to kind of try it out. Okay, so from here and onwards, I'll do a bit of a voiceover. So this is our living room setup, kids running around, occasionally sitting around, and we were dog sitting at the time, so we had a dog as well. And prior to ordering the Armless, which is a trial unit, we actually had ordered a couple of fabric samples for us to try out which one we actually like. We actually ended up choosing the Maltese Ash, which is on the bottom right, but my daughter actually liked the brown one. So as I brought the Armless unit to assemble inside of the home, I had it unboxed and then took out the cushions, which were vacuum packed, and the fabrics were in there, and also the boards. And actually the boards had a lot of sawdust, so we ended up assembling inside of the garage. And you need to watch out for the splinters since the oriented stranded boards, or the OSB, had quite a lot of them. So just make sure that you wear your gloves so that you don't end up hurting yourself. So after finishing the board assembly, I had put on the fabrics as well as onto the cushions, and it is finally time for some sitting down and testing. We actually put it inside of the living room to kind of test out how it fits overall, and we actually liked it. So we've gone ahead and ordered the entire sectional, and this is all modular, so I can order whatever the parts that I wanted and finally finish. The assembly took a bit of a time, but I am a strange person who actually enjoys doing assemblies and DIYs in the house, and we really like it. What do you think? If you have liked this content, please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel to continue watching these type of videos. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll see you next time. Bye.